To access templates, click the box icon in the bottom left. This will open a dialog window that provides a few featured templates. You could select from one of these, or click See More Templates. On the page that loads, you can filter templates by category, search by apps or use cases, or simply scroll through and find one you like. When you find a template you want to use, click the orange Use for Free button, then click Import Template. If the workflow template you selected requires any account credentials, the wizard will prompt you to set those up. Simply follow the prompts to get started. And if you need help setting up any account, most account credential setup dialogs provide a link to open the relevant documentation. Once you finish setting up your account credentials, you'll be able to see the full template loaded in. And many templates provide you specific notes and details about how to use and set up the template. Here I've grabbed a basic AI agent starter template. To interact with it, let's click Open Chat, type a simple greeting. We can see the AI agent think, and then respond.